And you have your pâte brisée or pastry dough, 200 grams.
All-purpose flour.
30 grams of sugar, 100 grams of butter. I'm gonna strain it. It's so beautiful. We're gonna make it a little volcano. Voila, voila, voila. And then we're gonna put the sugar here. And then we're gonna add a little space here to the corner. 1 egg. Beautiful, beautiful. Well, let's put the butter on the side. It's gonna come on its own, okay? Right. And we're gonna just mix that. So we're gonna get a little bit of wax pepper, a little wrap, and put it to sleep. And you have your pâte brisée or pastry dough ready for when you need it. We'll need it soon. Ciao!